which is visibility analysis, meaning and types of visibility. We have is Kabaya, Mary Grace. We have also Sir R.D. Venecio. Ayan, dito po si Miss Kabaya. Coordinating of analysis. Ma'am Kabaya, narinig ka na po.
Next na po ako.
Sige po. Sir RB, sige po. Ayun, dito na yun.
Hmm?
Ah.
Ay!
Dito. Pwede nga.
Cute ah.
Ayan po. Nakikita na po.
Ano to?
Ay dito sa differential financial analysis. So, traffic analysis at pagkat extern para automatic kung suotin ng mga datos ng negosyo na po at assert para sa mabili. Pero naririnig ko ba ako?
Ayan sir, clear na po.
So, ang alawa yung investment, assist in investment strategies by forecasting market trends and asset performance in advanced algorithms. Pangatlo, risk management improves risk assessment, effective analytics that identify potential financial disruptions in advance. Cash flow streamlines cash flow management by estimating future cash flows and outflows based on predictive models. Slide. That of the efficiency. AI models analyze vast datasets faster than humans. Accuracy, predictive analytics, enhance forecasting accuracy significantly. Pangatlo, automation. Automates repetitive tasks, reducing human error in predictions. Pang-apat, scalability, easily adjust the skill as data grows over time. Pang-lima, insights, identifies hidden trends in data for strategic planning. Slide. First concepts of financial forecasting. Una, data analysis. Utilize historical data trends to inform future predictions. Dalawa, model calibration. Adjust model parameters to enhance forecasting accuracy. Pangatlo, scenario planning. Develop multiple scenarios to assess various financial outcomes. Pangapat, continuous monitoring. Regularly update forecasts to reflect new data and changes. Ito yung historical evolution of financial models from 1970s to 2023. Overview of BI algorithms in
Papatingin ako ng logo ng Mitsubishi.
Una, test analysis.
Patingin ako ng logo ng...
Tatlo.
Utilize
Pa-triangle.
and predict financial risk by analyzing historical data, identifying patterns, and simulating various market scenarios for better decision making. Pangalawa, portfolio management. Automated investment strategies
Mitsubishi.
powered by AI help in optimizing portfolio performance through dynamic asset allocation and real-time adjustment based on market conditions. Pangatlo,
Isang line.
good
Ano to?
decision. Provide in detecting fraudulentities in financial transactions by leveraging machine learning
Yan.
algorithms to identify unusual patterns and
Diamond, parallelogram.
Anong panaregogram?
Parallelogram.
Ano yun? Panaregogram?
Parallelogram.
combine data from various
Saan?
sources
Patingin.
for comprehensive analysis. So, dito din yung model selection.
Hindi.
Tama?
Choose the right
Ano siya?
algorithm
Dapat
based
ano?
on data
Straight to.
characteristics.
Straight mo.
Tapos performance metrics, evaluate model accuracy using
Sunod.
established financial metrics. Tapos continue improvement.
Ay.
Regularly refine
Oo, oo,
models
Ayun, straight mo na yan,
data
ayun.
and insights.
Straight.
Slide.
Hmm.
Ito ang digital and financial forecasting.
Yan.
So makikita
Tapos sunod.
dito,
Saan ganun? Parang square na
revenue
nakaslan.
growth is 15%. Tapos
Yan.
cost reduction 10%. So, makikita
Yan.
ang quarterly forecast. Revision.
Dapat parallel dito. Dapat kano kay Rera.
So 20%. Sunod 3%. Sa kabila naman 20%. Tapos 30%.
Perceive yun.
So profit margin
Kawitan mo.
20%. Market share 5%.
Ako.
Ulitin mo.
Ito pa. Pag ganun?
AGI naman.
Straight.
Define problem. Identify the financial forecasting issue meeting AI.
Tapos sunod pa X.
Ito. Straight din to. Wait lang. Straight. Dapat ito rin yan. Ayan.
Sige.
Wag yan. Hindi ka dyan manggagaling dito.
Hmm?
Doon.
Doon.
Ito. Yun yan.
Develop the AI model
Pag ganun.
using the predictive
Medyo
data for forecasting. Tapos, apat, valuation results.
Yan.
Assess the performance of the
Ganun din
model
sa
using
kabila.
predictive accuracy metrics. So, may mga metrics. Case
Sunod.
studies of
So, yan din sa kabila.
AI
Yan,
implementation.
ganyan ulit. Yan. Up, sobrang. Dapat pantayin ito.
Phrase,
Dapat pantayin ito.
inaccurate
Pantayin ito.
financial
Sige pa.
forecast leading to major losses.
Yan.
Solution offered. Develop machine learning
Sunod.
models for
Yan,
predictive
dito naman.
analytics. Tapos benefits,
Yeah, hindi
increase
ganyan.
accuracy,
Kagaya nito.
to forecast and improve
Kagaya.
profits.
Layo naman.
Comparative analysis of traditional models.
Yan. Tapos
Data
straight ulit.
usage, ang kabila, temporal
Yun.
focus. Kung nakikita natin sa una, utilizes historical data.
Sobrang dapat pantayin sila nito eh.
Preference per
Okay
event.
na yan?
Sa kabila, heavily relies on past data patterns to make predictions based on time. Ang complexity niya, generally simpler and easier to implement for straightforward relationships. Seasonality.
Ano pa? Ano pa? Didraw ko pa. Ano pa? I-draw ko pa.
Tapos sa flexibility, limited adaptability to changing market conditions or new variables. Sa kabila, assumptions depend on various assumptions like seasonality and the agency. Plus accuracy may produce lower accuracy due assumptions of
Ano pa?
linearity in
Ano pa?
data.
I-draw ko.
Plus limitations, struggles with sudden market changes
Tesla.
are
Sige, sige.
non-linear.
Paano ulit yung Tesla? Pag ganun?
Makikita
Pati?
natin dito yung risk assessment with PI
Ganyan.
technologies. Yung impact, minor, moderate,
Sunod.
major, and severe. Yung example dito yung rare. Kita ni
Dapat wag mong yan yung logo.
Tapos model bias.
Ay,
Minor
tama ako
role
na to.
violation.
Eh?
Makapal siya.
Negligible,
Dito?
unlikely, civil, likely.
Makapal. Isa pa ulit na ganyan. Isa pa ulit.
Sige, sige. Pag ganun.
Tapos ay ka naman.
Challenges in AI financial forecasting. The data quality. Inaccurate, outdated data hurts the forecast accuracy significantly. Tapos, kabila, model complexity. Overly complex models can lead to overfitting and reduced performance. Interpretability, lack of transparency makes it difficult for user to trust
May V sa
predictions.
gitna.
So,
May V
kabila,
sa
market
V.
volatility,
Kaya to.
rated
Ayan.
Sunod.
quickly. Tapos, integration
Dito?
issues. Difficulty in integration, models with existing resource limitation, limited data science resources in their effective model development.
Ay!
Regulatory
Ayan mo.
conflicts,
Pantay mo.
compliance with financial directions, conflict
Ayan. Tapos ganun naman sa dalawang gilid. Ganun mo na ito. Gaya mo muna ganun. Curve na
scaling
konti.
models to handle large
Yan. Ay.
datasets,
Sobra na.
process
Kaya to?
ito yung solution
Ano ba?
sa common forecasting
Tapos
by
ganun
years.
naman ulit.
May mga sa una, problem 1 up to problem 4.
Hindi.
Makikita natin dito,
Ganun.
historical data for accurate predictions. Tapos, problem number 2, complexity of financial variables, interactions.
Pag ganyan.
Problem number 3,
Ito yun.
rapid changes in market conditions and trends.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Four,
Isa pa, isa pa. Ulitin mo dito.
Integration challenges with existing
Tindahan mo.
systems.
Ma.
Tools and technologies in forecasting.
Stay.
Relate with your own
Pag ganun,
product
patusok.
or service image.
Yan.
Ito yung mga pictures.
Ay, hindi pantay.
These practices for
Alright.
model
Okay,
implementation. Nandito yung define objectives.
Huh?
Ano yung laman? Clearly outline your financial forecasting
Tesla.
goals and well, data preparation. So ensure that your data is clean,
Ano pa pa?
Ganyan siya. Oh.
and properly structured.
Ganyan siya.
Model
Isulat ko.
selection. Choose the most suitable AI model that fits your financial needs. Pangatlo, regular updates.
Darang 5.
Periodically refresh the model with new data to maintain accuracy.
Darang 5.
Tapos yung stakeholder engagement. Paano ka importante ito? Involve all relevant
Pag ganito?
stakeholders
Galing ah.
throughout the model implementation.
Yung ano pa susulatan ko?
Continuously assess the model's performance and make necessary
Huh?
adjustment.
Kahirap
Last is
naman.
documentation. Maintain detailed documentation for future reference and
Ay, dami.
next.
Kailangan
So,
na.
makikita natin.
Ay, yung BMW, madali lang yun pa.
Sabi ko kanina na financial metrics
Pabilag muna.
for measurements. So, magagamit natin to
Sunod. Bilog ulit pa.
sa basihan. Ethical consideration.
Tapos may pa ganun siya sa corner.
Cross.
Bias
Tapos pakros na.
mitigation.
Ganun mo lang.
Regularly
Sige, sige,
audit
sige.
algorithms
I-cross
to
mo lang.
identify and correct bias predictions.
Sige,
Transparency.
sige.
Ensure models' decisions are explainable
Cross
to
mo na blue.
stakeholders and users.
Ay,
Data
hindi
privacy.
Hindi pantay.
Implement strict data governance, policies to protect user information.
Light blue.
Accountability. Establish clear accountability
Yun.
for AI driving outcomes and decisions.
Paano?
Future
Hindi,
tools
nasa
in
blue.
financial forecasting.
Gitna ng blue.
Una,
Ayan.
predictive
Nasa ano, sa
analytics,
gitna. Nandito yung
utilizing
gitna.
algorithms to
Ayan.
improve the accuracy of financial trends
W.
and predictions for
Hindi,
greater
ang
investment
pagsulat.
precision.
Gitna na dito, B, M, W.
Ulit, ulit.
Dito, yan.
Aray
Ay,
ko.
sorry. Sa gitna. Yan. Sa lahat, M. Sa lahat, W.
And market
Eh?
flow scenario analysis, modeling various economic scenarios to assess potential impacts
Ano pa?
on financial performance and
Ang kaya ko yung infinity.
Tapos pang-apat, enhanced automation, streamlining forecasting path,
Ha?
driving tools, reducing manual input, and increasing efficiency.
Ano?
Ito yung
Paano? Dodraw ko ng
Kita
infinity.
natin yung data, date, verify,
Hindi mo na.
Ano?
is
Ay, cherry muna pala. Paano yung cherry?
takeaways. So,
Pa, cherry.
nakukuha natin dito.
Paano yung cherry?
Mga takeaways natin, enhance accurate. Tapos, efficiency, predicting AI forecasting
Minsan mo na
can
gagawin ko.
associated with traditional forecasting with tapos real-time data. Utilizing real-time data allows for more fact and relevant forecasting. And lastly, scalable solutions.
Nissan.
AI models can easily scale to accommodate growing data and business needs. So thank you. Introducing our next kabayan.
Hindi.
Hmm?
Apo, Miss Kabayan, please.
Kita po ba, sir? Sir, nakita po ba, sir?
Wala pa po nag-appear sa akin.
Wala pa po, ma'am. Wala pa.
Ano pa? Dodraw ko. Pa. Patingin. Anong punta pa dodraw ko? Oh, wait lang.
Fiat.
Yan po, sir.
Fiat. Hindi ko kaya yun.
Yan, meron na po.
Kaya ko pala yun.
So, good evening, everyone. Sir Alex. So, my topic is about, my task is about the type of visibility, which is the input analysis.
Paano yung Fiat?
So, before, in the local government, for local government, have used artificial
Pag ganito ba yung Fiat? Pag ganito?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Iba yan.
Wala.
Iba, wag mo na mayroon yan. Lexus.
Sige. Kaya ko yung Lexus. Paano yung Lexus?
L lang.
Ito L. Bilog muna tapos L. Ay! Ano nangyari ba?
Ano yan?
Ito oh. Paano ba yung Lexus pa? Ellipse yung una.
also answer the question, what do we need to make this project
Ganito yun
successful?
pa. Tingnan mo pa.
So these resources include people, money, materials, equipment,
Pangit.
technology, and information. Or simply, input analysis
Paano?
is the assessment
Ito.
of all
Ito
the
tama?
resources needed
Hindi.
to implement the project.
Bilog.
Medyo
So,
ellipse.
example, whether there are
Medyo
work,
bilog.
people,
Yan.
materials,
Ganito.
funds, facilities,
Yun.
the requirements,
Sunod.
and available and
Ganun
effective
ulit.
to ensure the
Maliit
project's
lang.
successful implementation.
Hindi.
So,
Mas manipis.
Ay,
Makapal yan.
makapal.
we have the
Dapat
four
ganito lang.
categories of the inputs.
Yan naman.
What we call
Ay,
5
ganun na.
M's. Money, the men, money, materials, machinery, and methods. So men refer to the people involved in the project, such as workers, engineers, managers, and volunteers who contribute their skills and knowledge. So for the
wala
money,
pa.
refers to the budget or financial.
Nawala ba yung alamakan? Excuse me, nawala yung pocket mo.
Hindi ko ulit, hindi naka-share screen.
Kapag ganito? Pa? Kapag ganito pa? Hindi.
Kita na po.
Bakit pa?
Ay, ito.
Ang hirap naman. Ah,
Dali,
wait
dali
lang,
lang eh.
wait lang.
Harap ka dun.
Pag ganito ba yun? Pag ganito ba yung L?
Yan. Parang pa ganyan.
Slant lang konti. Sunod pa slant din. Ay,
Ito, mali. Masyado naman yan. Yan, tama na yan eh.
wait lang.
Yan.
Wait lang. Ganito, wait lang. Eh? Ganito.
Sobra naman.
Ganito.
Hindi masyado yung dulo.
Ganito.
Yan.
Ito.
Yan. Yan.
Ganito ba? Ah!
Yan. Mas mahaba pa ng konti.
Sige, sige.
Yan. Yan.
Okay na?
Mm.
Sunod pa ganun.
Hindi.
Alex, may na po yung internet.
Sige, sige, sige.
Pasensya.
Yan, baba ka naman rin.
So,
Stop mo naman.